What up, y'all? It's your boy Papiblendzz back again with another level 3 tips and tricks video. Today we're gonna be doing a major transformation and I want you guys to come with me. I'm gonna be sharing a lot of techniques on how to go from one thing to the other, utilizing some of level 3 major and amazing products. So come with me, let's get it started. All right guys, so you guys can see here, we have my model Andrea. We have a before. We're gonna be transforming this hair from this, so you keep watching so you see the final result. And our featured product for this video is our Texturizing Salt Spray by Level 3. The reason why I like using this product is because it's gonna provide volume, but most important, a natural look on curly or wavy hair. Our first product of choice is gonna be our Level 3 Nitro Gloves. Remember, we have these in many different color options. It all depends on which color you like or aesthetics you're going for. Today I'm gonna be utilizing these because I'm gonna be applying bleach on her hair. This is gonna protect from any stains or bleach burns in my hands. And as I said, we were gonna do a huge transformation. But now to finish up this style, what better than using some level 3 products, mainly our featured product, which is our Texturizing Salt Spray. And to make it more easy, our Texturizing Salt Spray comes in a spray bottle, making it easier to apply in the hair. And this is how I'll be applying this product. Two ways I will go about drying a hair that I apply Texturizing Salt Spray on will be either with my diffuser or I will let it naturally air dry, because all we're looking to achieve is a natural look. And in this case, what better than going with my diffuser? Just like this, we're gonna achieve a natural and beautiful look. See here, we have the final result after utilizing our Texturizing Salt Spray. And if you guys want me to share more tips and tricks with you guys, comment down below what would you like to know from your boy Papiblendzz. Make sure if you want to acquire some of these products, visit L3VEL3.com, or again, you can visit any local Sally and acquire level 3 products. It's your boy Papiblendzz. Let's go.